Hello, my name is Montse and this is SOYOGA with Montse. So let's start. Today we're going to do a meditation. It's going to be a short meditation. It's going to be really grounded and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to call it the tree meditation. Okay, and it's going to require to do a bit of visualization. You can sit anywhere you like. You can sit on a chair. You can sit, if you're sitting on a chair, please make sure that you're, please make sure, I'm sitting on the floor, so kind of a bit weird to sit like this. But if you're sitting on a chair, make sure that both feet are grounded on the floor. And that both feet are grounded on the floor and sort of hip parallel and that you're really comfortable. If you're like me sitting on the floor, you can be leaning against a wall, anywhere that's comfortable. Just make sure that you are super comfortable, okay? And then just close your eyes. Close your eyes and start focusing on your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. And noticing your body. So let's gonna do a little body awareness, body scan. Just very quickly notice your head, trying to loosen up, relax, perhaps some movements on your neck, if there is any tension there. And then come back to the center, perhaps even some rolling of the shoulders up and down. Again, just releasing any tension, just letting go. And noticing your spine being straight, not rigid, just upright, naturally, respecting the natural curves of the spine, but maintaining a dignity. Your arms are relaxed by your sides, the palms of your hands perhaps on your thighs, on your knees, your chest is relaxed. You can let go of a sigh if you like. Your hips are heavy and your sitting bones in contact with your sitting surface, wherever that may be. Perhaps you're sitting on a cushion, on a chair, on the ground. Your thighs also relaxed, your knees, your feet. And as you inhale, I want you to feel how your spine is straight and the top of your head is aiming towards the sky. And as you exhale, you loosen a bit more, you relax, you let gravity do its work, and you notice the base of your body. So your sitting bones, perhaps your thighs or the back of your legs, rooting into the ground, relaxing a bit more. Do this a couple more times. So inhaling, growing, lifting towards the sky, and as you exhale, noticing how that surface, that contact of your body with the ground becomes more firm, more stable. Now I'd like to picture in your mind a tree, a mighty tree. Perhaps it's a tree you've seen before in person, perhaps a tree you've seen in a picture, perhaps a tree that lives only in your imagination. A beautiful, mighty tree. And walk towards it, standing in front of the tree, looking up and down the mighty trunk, imagining the roots digging deep into the earth, into the soil. And looking up towards the branches, towards the top of the tree, the leaves, reaching towards the sky. And just a smile in front of the tree. And start being aware of your breath again. Inhaling and exhaling. As you inhale, you're aware that you're inhaling oxygen And as you exhale, you're aware that you're exhaling carbon dioxide. Inhaling oxygen, exhaling carbon dioxide. And the tree is also breathing. The tree is breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. And like a dance, a give and take, you inhale the oxygen that the tree is giving you, and you exhale carbon dioxide that the tree is taking and returning to you in the shape of oxygen. And just picture this for a moment. Picture this give and take. This connection between you and the mighty tree. This connection between you and nature. Focusing on your breathing, the breathing of the tree. And you start to feel this connection strongly. You're so close now, this breathing connection, that you become one. You are one with the tree. You can feel what the tree feels. You can feel the trunk, like your spine, like the same as your trunk. And you can start feeling the roots of your tree, like your own roots, digging deep into the soil. The roots are also strong, and going deep, deep, deep down into the dark soil. And these strong roots is what's allowing the tree, and therefore you, to grow tall and strong, and it's allowing your branches to reach for the sky. That cannot be reaching for the sky without this digging deep into the soil, into the darkness. There cannot be light without darkness. So just sit here for a moment, just picturing your own roots deep into the dark soil, being proud of it, of everything that's rooting you down, everything that you're accomplishing, everything that's allowing you to reach for the light, to grow. Because every single one of those roots is what's helping you to grow. Perhaps some of these tree roots are meeting other tree roots. Perhaps in a community, in a forest. Perhaps they're expanding really deep, deep, deep into the center of the earth, far away from everything, hiding deep down. Or perhaps they're expanding to the sides, looking for water, looking for other trees, other roots. But in whichever direction they're growing, and they're strong, and then just notice the trunk of the tree, which is also your spine, your trunk, really upright, really strong, really stable. And the top of the tree, the branches, like the top of your head, reaching up. Perhaps reaching up and reaching out. And then go back to your breath. Step out of the tree. Look at the tree again as a separate entity and say thank you. Thank you for being me. Thank you for letting me be you for a moment. Thank you for the air. Thank you for the oxygen. And slowly, slowly bring your hands to your chest. Bow your head and give thanks. Once again, perhaps nature, trees, or perhaps to those connections that are your roots. Perhaps give thanks to your environment. Perhaps to the people you love that supports you. And then lift your chin up, open your eyes. Take a big inhale, open your mouth. And thank you so much for being here. I hope this was useful. I hope you enjoyed. And please, if you did, leave me a comment. I would really, really appreciate hearing from you, knowing how it was. If there's more like this that you like from me. And yes, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family, and trying to grow it a bit. So please subscribe, let people know, and click that notification bell. I'm posting regularly. I'm posting a video a week, sometimes movement, sometimes yoga, sometimes tips, and sometimes meditation. Let me know what you prefer, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.